Hey guys, it's Miss Roth. It's May. Happy May 1st. I'm just going to give us a little video recap of what's going to be happening for the next 2 weeks before your 8th grade final. Also, I want to say good job on the Scatterplots unit test. You guys did awesome. Love to see it. If you haven't done it yet, it should still be up, so go ahead and do that if you can. I hope you all are doing well. So what I have on my screen right here that I'm sharing with you is actually the teacher calendar that I have, Miss K has, Miss Newworth, and Miss Fred have. I'm just kind of going to show you what the weeks are going to look like. So starting on Monday, we're going to start with number systems, and Miss Newworth is going to be teaching that. We're going to give you a cheat sheet for each unit. Each day is a unit. These should all be reviewed. We worked on this all year. So with number systems, Miss Newworth is going to be walking through a couple problems in the study guide that you guys have attached on Google Classroom. I will also show that as well. So your study guide is going to look like this, and we're going to go through certain problems each day that correlate with the unit that is on that day. So on Monday, it will be number systems. You'll have a quick check, and I will have the entire practice test posted. On Tuesday, we'll have scientific notation, same schedule. You'll have a cheat sheet. You'll have a video walking through problems. Miss Fred will go through about 4 problems that day on your study guide. So that way you can work through it with us. If you want a little bit of help, if you want to, ask any questions, kind of that thing. As for Wednesday, we're going to go through functions and slopes. Same thing. Miss Newworth will be going through a couple problems. Then on Thursday, linear relationships. Miss Roth, will be going through that. That day we'll be going through a lot of problems that day, but we'll get through it. On next Friday, we'll have linear equations with Miss K. She'll go through some problems. And then the next week, we'll go through it again. We'll have angle relationships, then Pythagorean theorem, volume, transformations, and lastly, scatterplots, which we just finished, so it should be fresh in your brain. But we're going to go through all the units, make sure you guys absolutely know it, and can go through your study guide no problem before that next week we'll take the final, and that will be all week. You'll be able to work on it continuously, and it will be all multiple choice in a Google form format, same as your quizzes and previous tests have been since virtual learning. I know it kind of sucks, but at least it's multiple choice, and you guys, it's going to look exactly like your study guide, just different problems. So I'm going to show you the study guide one more time. It's going to be like this. I posted the PDF on Google Classroom for today. You can make a copy of it. You can print it out. You can do whatever you want. Now, going through each problem every day is not required. If you feel very confident and comfortable with everything, you can go ahead and do the whole study guide on your own. But if you want to go through and look and review and make sure you got everything, totally go ahead and look every day. We're going to be posting something. We'll post a video. Also, now that the district has opened up Google Hangout for us teachers and you guys to work together, we can have office hours where we will log on and you guys can join us and ask us questions about math, about life, all that kind of stuff. So that will be moving forward. Be on the lookout for that. We are thinking about you guys, and this is the last thing for math. This is the last thing of the year, and you guys are doing great. I wish we could be in school, but I know we can't. This kind of sucks. But thinking of you, and we will see you hopefully on a Google Hangout someday. Best of luck with the final, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.